Yo, 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 what is up? What is up, my people? It is Mr. Coromando time! Coming at you from the windy city of Kaiheri! Out here with the animals, got Jim Dog, classic, red, Lambo, yeah. What is up?
What is up, Lambo? You were playing so nicely with Red before.
Lambo's got its full coat still. It's a shedding breed, but it hasn't shed. Which is, you know, funny. Lambo got the chest out, but it's cold as at the moment. Unusual weather we're having.
That's it. There's a lot of July-like weather symptoms in this November.
Look at this.
No. Two checks.
Boom, it's that cold I've had to double vest. Outrageous. Nice tin fence here, out of that T-rib.
That's good. There's a good colour options available here.
Oh, yeah. The top two are nice. Beautiful. All that bottom colour would be good.
Oh yeah, what are you tracking there, Jimmy?
Lambo's paddock. Yeah,
Lambo.
oh, Wayno! Crikey, it's Wayne! Crikey,
Shall we see Wayne, Lambo?
You might get a rear glimpse at Wayne.
Oh,
He's,
yeah.
I know you. He's a good guy. He knows a thing or two about the rural life. Come up and let's see if we can get a closer look.
Let's see. Oh yeah. A few sheep in the paddock. Don't know how many anymore. They just live their lives out there. Meg, Wayne. Can we zoom in and see what we've got? 50 times zoom, see it. So this is it.
I think it's a two right up on top. Not the two that rear when I get to the fence.
Yeah,
The two below the
Oh yeah.
two. Oh, fuck me, don't have the fence. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Those two, heifers purchasing. Nice.
Yeah, I just move on the fence. Like I'm moving it every couple of days. Back in the way.
The grass is amazing at the moment, the amount of weather.
Bloody cold, eh?
Fuck is
I can't believe you're just in a shirt.
the Honda not starting.
Can we give you a push start?
Pull that hand.
Pull that.
Hold it fucking hand on the thing. Bloody both hands.
I've never seen it not start.
Hey?
Oh well, that's good. The Honda's back going. Oh well, great to have a visit from Wayne.
Yeah, that was the mighty Wayne. He's a high country sheep farmer from up north. He's been catching snapper off the rock, chopping wood.
Yeah, it used to be a full wood chopping comp, seen as racing
Now
acts.
he's one of the best neighbours ever. Wayno.
Wayne, oh, who we got in here? Which one's the sheep? Lambo's so much bigger than Jimmy now.
No Lambo. Yeah, I've been thinking of reinstating that fence as well.
Yeah.
Finding it hard to get a kennel for the dogs over New Year's. Reinstate that now more. Might raise that up a little bit. Just make it dog proof. Got those big long bits of timber there. Got some nice tin.
Are there holes in that tin?
Yeah, there's holes. You got
No.
some
Yeah, the Higgins job over to Yaraha.
but for a fence. Or I was thinking for that down bigger on the other side of the hedge. It'd be nice. Nice Stevie and khaki there. Beautiful.
What do we got in here, Mark?
Go get a little treats.
These are look like treats, don't they?
A nice set of French doors there, 4 panels each side. That equals 8 panels of glory.
Lucky number.
Gonna chuck that on the back of the carport. Well, it's a garage really, it's not a carport with a VW lives. Chuck doors on the front of it as well, have an indoor-outdoor flow.
Yeah, bringing the doors from the red shed, which are here, over to the front of there to protect the VW. And then this ranch slider will go on. Genius. Yeah, well there's no concrete lip to go over, as we can see. It'll just sit on the ground there, so yeah.
Red, come here. Go on.
Oh, Wayne's coming back.
He's caning it. He's freezing fucking cold.
I bet he is, yeah, that's it. Well, YouTube, not made for children, but you know. 875, looking glorious, waiting for some tenants. Come on, tenants, pay the rent. Alright. Nice recap.
Going good. Grass is growing, good grass growth, getting a couple of cows. Beautiful, they're going to take care of the grass. So we've got on our side, help the sheep out by eating it down, and the sheep like the shorter grass. Beautiful symbiotic relationships going on. That's what we're after. It's going to be fantastic. So yeah, we've got the doors to go, lots of fun adventures going on. Lots of stuff for the summer, keep busy and do. So you know, it's looking forward to it. Crank it up.
Yeah, like, share, subscribe.
Oh, gots to comment. Hit us up on the comments and the that just.
You'll see it up in the top left, right, and bottom.